Hey, it's Suffering Student here, and today I'm going to talk a bit about the power of code. So I created this piece of software myself, which I actually think is quite interesting, and it's actually quite useful to me, and that's kind of the power and the beauty of it. This is just a very simple note-taking application where I can add some ideas and whatever. Well, that's not the point of this video. There'll be a link in the description if you want to check out the software, but mostly just the ability for me to be able to create my own software when I need it, if I want to, is kind of amazing to me. And that's why I think of coding as kind of like the modern day superpower, which allow me as just a random individual to create stuff and maybe at some point create and sell or even change lives and futures and so on. And that's actually why I think it's quite important for not everyone needs to learn how to code, but at least most people should to some degree have a basic understanding of software and software principles. And we'll also walk in that direction. Like people getting younger, most schools, well, not most, but some schools at least are starting to have some kind of like software or computer programming or stuff integrated in some of the school at a younger age as well. And I think it's just quite important. I think it's quite interesting. But I just want everyone to know that it's such an amazing feeling being able to create your own application and then later on use it. So again, I created a software which I am using. It's not just an example, but I'm using when I have ideas for random YouTube videos, and I can just add them to the system where I can then move them to maybe like a today's work area, having some different kind of showcase and so on and so on, take some notes and so on. But just simply being able to create this stuff myself actually is quite amazing to me. And I definitely think it's something more people should do and should learn if they have the interest, of course. So this was just my thoughts on the power of coding. Definitely a bit different video than what I usually do. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and definitely let me know down in the comments what you think. But otherwise, I would just wish you all a wonderful day.